In today's video, I will walk you through how to add multiple photos to Telegram desktop profile. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop and click the menu button in the top left corner of the application. From the menu, select Settings to open your Telegram account settings. At the top of the settings page, you'll see your profile information, including your current profile photo. Click on your profile photo or profile information to open your profile page. Here, you'll see your current profile picture and the available options for managing it. To add a new photo, click on the camera or profile photo option. Telegram will give you the option to choose an image from your computer. Select the photo you want to add from your files. Once you've selected the image, Telegram will display it so you can adjust how it appears as your profile photo. You can move the image within the available area to position it correctly. Make sure the important part of the photo is visible, then confirm your selection. After you add the photo, it becomes part of your Telegram profile photo collection. Your newest profile photo will normally appear as your current profile picture, while older profile photos remain available. To add another photo, simply repeat the same process. You can continue adding photos one at a time. Each new photo will be added to your profile history rather than completely removing the previous picture. This is useful if you want to keep several profile photos available. If you want to check the photos you've already added, open your Telegram profile and select the profile photo. You can then browse through the available pictures. And that is it! You've successfully added multiple photos to your Telegram desktop profile. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time!